Hi everybody, today's theme is allow space. So we've got a really gentle, simple pattern for you here with lots of space in between to be able to just breathe in there and enjoy the sounds of the handpan. And of course, if you're not into that and that's too boring for you, you can fill that space however you want. But I encourage you to really actually allow that space, because that space, I think the silence in between, can be quite uncomfortable sometimes for a lot of us. Just allowing silence, you know? Same in conversation, same with human relationships. Sometimes having that silence between two people can feel a little bit awkward, but it doesn't have to be. So that's what we're gonna allow today. We're gonna allow that space. So our first chord here is with the 1, the 3, and the 5. In my case, it's an E minor, this E Amara. And then we've got a little bit of melody here. Yeah. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and simple there. I'm gonna move over to the next chord, which is this one over here. So we're gonna play note 2, note 4, and note 6. That's a lie. We're not playing those ones at all. We're playing 1. Oh yeah, even better. 1, 2, and 4. By the way, if you want to see what notes I'm looking at, that's the notation for these videos. And if you want the notation to refer back to later in the year, or if that makes it easier for you to follow along, you can join the Patreon. And the notation is available there on Patreon. Doesn't matter what tier you join, it's all there. And through that as well, you can get access to the handpanuary community as well. Cool, so. Yeah. So here we're going to play note 1, 2, and 4. And then 6, 6, 5. 6, 6, 5. That's the whole thing. And then we just switch between those two little patterns, like this. Space in between. You can move that melody around. Just pick any random notes up high, and if you like it, repeat it. You can add some little extra bits there. Oh, you can move up. Also add some bass notes. Back to where we started. just as beautiful. Of course, if you don't have all of these fancy high notes, it really doesn't matter. Just play with dynamic, play with gentleness, softness, allow that space. That's the whole point. I just kind of went in and filled up a lot of that space. But it was inspiring. This is what space does. When you have emptiness, when you have room, then that's where magic can start to happen, right? So just start really slow, start with lots of space, and then comes the magic. So have fun with that one, explore. I would love to see your explorations of this, where you go with it. Please share it in the WhatsApp group if you're there, or on Instagram, tag me if you're there. I would love to hear it. And yeah, enjoy the flow.